Guys, in this session, I will be telling you about the types of GCP certification examination and how do you prepare for GCP certification examination. Guys, apart from this, I will guide you how to book your GCP certification examination, and also I will give some ideas to all of you about how I had prepared for this GCP certification examination, and also give some idea about GCP certification examination trick. You know guys, Google Cloud Platform offers several certification examination to validate the expertise and skill of individual in using and managing GCP services. As you can see here, some of the GCP certification exam like fundamental level certification, associate level certification, and professional level certification. The process of preparing for a GCP certification requires a deep understanding of Google Cloud Platform services, architecture, and deployment model. Guys, you know the Cloud Digital Leader Examination. Guys, this is the basic fundamental GCP certification examination. If you have a good knowledge about fundamental GCP services, then you should go for Cloud Digital Leader Examination. Similarly, guys, if you have a good knowledge about managing GCP resources, deploying application, GCP services like Google Compute Engine, App Engine, Cloud Run, GKE, and so more. Apart from this, you know about the monitoring and configuring the network like VPC, VPN, and so more. Then you should go for the Associate Cloud Engineer examination. And guys, all professional certification exams are the top level exam in Google Cloud Platform. All professional certification focus on evaluating an individual's ability to design and implement robust, scalable, secure cloud architecture using Google Cloud Platform services. If you have a good knowledge about this topic with a real-time scenario example, guys, then you should go for professional cloud architect examination. Guys, as you can see here, how do you prepare for all the GCP certification examination? Guys, I followed the same procedure for this exam. As you can see here, at all stages you can prepare yourself accordingly. I did more practice and deep study about all services. I wrote all the clue points based on individual topics for the GCP services in an Excel sheet, and I'll show you how I prepared for this Excel sheet, and it would be helpful for you to easily identify the correct option to select in the examination. Guys, as you can see here, the Excel sheet, how I prepared for this Excel sheet based on the each services whatever I had learned from GCP services, and as we discuss like networking, monitoring, and other services also. Guys, you think why do you need GCP certification? I will share some knowledge about you and why the GCP certification can be beneficial in your cloud engineering journey. Guys, for an example, for your career advancement, holding a GCP certification can enhance your career prospects. Many organizations look for certified professionals when hiring or promoting individuals for roles related to cloud computing, such as cloud architect, cloud developers, and cloud administrator. It can help you stand out in a competitive job market. Secondly, guys, Google Cloud certification are recognized in the industry, are backed by Google, a leading provider of cloud services. By obtaining a GCP certification, you showcase your commitment to staying updated with the latest technologies and best practices in the cloud computing domain. And another example, guys, if you work as a cloud consultant or freelancer, having GCP certification can instill confidence in your clients. It assures them that you have the necessary skill to effectively leverage Google Cloud services and deliver the high quality solution. GCP certification can certainly be a valuable asset in your professional journey, offering several benefits in terms of career growth, industry recognition, and personal development. Guys, I'll give some idea about you how to book your GCP certification examination. As you can see here, the examination book link is webassociate.com. This is the following step. As I mentioned here, you should book your exam slot based on your suitable time slot. Let's move to the webassociate.com portal and I will guide you. Guys, as you can see here, this is your webassociate.com portal. Guys, now here you can create a new account for your examination. Guys, first of all, you should click on the create new account tab. Now guys, you fill in the respective information field and save it, like login ID, password, and whatever is your name and city address and all the information field, and finally you have to save it here. Then guys, you log in with your new user ID and password. After successful login, guys, you navigate to that main web page. Guys, here you can click register for an exam tab. And guys, then select your preferable exam. For an example, if you want to appear the Google Cloud Associate Engineer or Professional Cloud Architect exam, like whatever you want. For an example, guys, just I'll select for the Google Cloud Professional Developer here. Then guys, you select any one option like on-site proctor or remote proctor. On-site proctor means you'll go to appear at exam inside the examination center. Remote proctor means you want to appear the online exam in your home or any office premises. Okay guys, I'll click for the on-site proctor here. Then guys, you select a examination center according to your city, province and your country. Guys, I randomly selected for that one of that examination center here, and then click for select tab. Guys, as you can see here, now you can select your preferable examination date and select your time slot based in your requirement. Then scroll down and select that acknowledgement tab and click the select tab here. Now if you have a coupon voucher, then you have to enter here and click apply. If you don't have any coupon voucher, then click for the checkout here. Then now you have to fill your credit card details, and you know that is your card type and expiration date and whatever that. Then you have to submit. This is your payment, guys, already you know that you have to payment. Then after that you have to click the home tab button, and this is the my assessment tab, guys. Click on the my assessment tab and view your exam details. Guys, view your exam details here, and the final result also visible in the my assessment tab. As you can see here, my examination result here. And guys, after your successful complete your exam, the Google team will verify your result and they will send the final certificate to your registered email address. Guys, as you can see here, the GCP examination trick. Guys, at the time of exam, you should follow this instruction as I mentioned here. Read the question carefully and find out the clue words as you wrote in your Excel sheet. Remember your clue words in the Excel sheet. Each question takes only 2 to 3 minutes. Don't answer a single question more than 4 minutes. Always be positive and select the correct answer option. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching this session. If it would be helpful for your career, please subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends and join with Saira's Tech Cloud families. Dear friends, thank you. Have a nice day.